Hmasa in chi bai le vek ule ro te chung North Carolina tangin reilo te hun run hlang turin an lo chawa chumi chung chuan kan tu te nen thil tam tak kan tia vo in ni som ni pan ni hian ka thlai chen khat lak the om to awangin mila nen kan han lang kan tia e kan fe chuak dun don ni hi kan phu dun hle ringot mai ni. Today me and Mila's gonna pick some from my garden. What are we going to pick, Mila? Cucumbers
and
peppers and tomatoes. All right.
Nice.
Okay.
Hi, babe.
Maybe. Margot, careful.
Puppy just said no. Oh, the puppy said no.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is Margot want to be in the picture here? Come here, Margot.
You want to go and be in the picture?
Mila nen chawa fe chhuat tum na ka line hey. Anau te zong zong in min ron zui le the box hi ni. Yeah. Put into kan tomato le kan cucumber te no tu roma kan han lo nge tu te nen. Chen mai don na na. Addie, you want to pick? Mila will pick that one.
No, Judy's first.
Okay. Yes. Careful, okay? Oh, show it to Papa.
Good job.
Good job.
Those are nice looking, aren't they?
Yes. Put in the basket.
Oh, right, Maeve, you got one too.
Oh, Maeve, you can't get these. The green ones are not ready. You don't pick the green ones, okay? I'm saying a low, Maeve. Okay. Green ones, we let the vex here hate it. Right there. But it's not ready.
Okay.
All right, here. We'll have a bite. Mila, have a bite. Okay, have a bite. Okay, back. Mark, Maeve, here. You want to have? Right. Yummy. All right. We have cucumber up here. No, mix. Not yet.
Oh, you got these.
Don't pick any. We're gonna do cucumbers first. Hey, honey, there's a few. If you come down this way, you will see. There's
Where?
a big one.
Where are they?
Careful.
Right here?
Yeah. That's a big
Oh, yeah,
one.
yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. And then there's a few here. Mila. All right, here.
And we can have some.
Okay. Yeah. Here.
And we can have one.
Hold the cucumber. I'll cut it.
Kan fang mai hi ling a lo om de hleka
All right.
an mi la hian an langam lo ni
Okay. Right here. Here. Okay.
Papa.
Okay.
My dad's talking.
Show it to.
I want it.
Okay.
Good.
All right,
Wow,
here.
that's big, isn't it?
Yeah, here. Back. All right. Oh, you want one, maybe?
I want one.
Okay.
Can I eat it?
You can.
No.
You can eat it.
No,
we'll
not
cut it
now.
later. Here,
in,
Maeve.
in the kitchen. He thinks
Here.
you're talking about right now.
All right, hold on. Addie wants one here. There's
I
one
still
here.
eat it. I need to do it.
Okay. Addie, come here.
I know this stuff.
All right. Hold on. I thought there was a bigger one. Oh, here. We'll get this one.
Well, why can we not eat it?
Okay.
I don't care about
Mila, here.
carrots or
Mila,
lemon.
stand up here. I got one for you.
You like carrots?
I want banana.
All right. Here. Mila, show Papa.
Oh, Papa, let me try.
Oh, share. Maeve, you share with Mila. Mila. Okay, don't that's we need to leave it so it will get bigger. These are baby ones. We have 3 that we can cut it at inside and then you can eat. All right, now we have cayenne. Here, hold this. Hold this.
You get
Hey,
some
Mila, this one.
Emmy, you got
Hold
a
on.
bunch of them
Show
over
it, Papa.
here.
Show it to Papa.
Leave me all of
No, it's-
them. I want these.
Oh, those are onions. Addie, you can eat it if you want to.
Come here, Emmy, come here.
What? Oh, Maeve!
Maeve, honey, you can't
Okay,
pick stuff.
that's okay. She can eat
here,
that.
Emmy,
Pick
come
that.
here,
Maybe if you want to
Emmy.
eat.
Emmy, come here.
Oh, can make it.
Come here,
Okay,
Emmy.
maybe here.
I'll put the
Oh, okay, here. Oh, lapun lawan. Addie, you. Okay. All right, hold on. We need to cut it. Here, hold this.
Now one.
Show it to Papa.
I don't have one.
Okay, here, hold this. Okay,
Ka
here.
farcha
Addie,
po an
hold
ran
this.
ra chana.
I gotta cut it.
Kan
Okay?
e khop chun mai
Hold
do ni
this.
cayenne pepper le
And you cut it.
jalapeno
Okay, show it to Papa.
le yellow pepper
Yeah. it's-
habanero te ka ching hloma.
Wow, look, there's another one that I need to get.
Do I want one ready here? You can't.
You can't eat this. It's hot.
They're very hot. The
Yeah.
spicy kind of, you know.
Yeah, here. Okay. All right, let's go.
Put them in the basket, guys.
Can't get by.
Yeah, put it in the basket.
I can't get by here.
Go up.
I planted this. It's lavender leaves.
That's
The
a
lavender.
lavender. Does it smell nice?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay.
good.
We can take a little bit more of the jalapeno. All right, here. Here, I'll. All right. It's right. Okay.
Mila hi an unawa upa berania last day ang ve lewanya.
Okay.
Ani po hi akumai han apuitling ve a.
All right.
Now te nga ay mawangin ama
Okay,
po
that's
hi
good now.
rin ay takin
Alright, let's go.
amateur alom khop me. Kan tu te hi an kum ay na ilom mawangin anin kom nge a thil ti reng hianin
Mila,
ti ve vek zel an do chu wang chan ne tu na po an vayan local trap na chan chu Mila nen thatakin kan tiang kan te he min ron zom le ta vek sia ani za thla khop mai
we have a zucchini squash, but they're not ready to get picked. So,
ka hwan hi la tha em lo na in
okay.
khwan lumma
Alright, we have
an
one
ron
tomato to
thang
pick
chak
down
ve
there.
viau maya ka changkha te phei chu an lian ve to a an ron zam dum ve to maya ka lom hle mai
Okay. And we have, if you want to pick some potatoes, we have that also.
Where?
We're gonna go out here. But yeah, we can go soon. All right. Hey, kasam chok ten nya. An lian ve to lu tu ko an par to a kari nai nan ron thang tha a kalom lu tuk mai hey ara ve tu donin ka sia. We got one more tomato to pick, and then that will be it for today. Okay, let's go get pick that red tomatoes, Mila. Slowly. Okay, and show it to Papa.
Nice.
All right. Maeve. No, only we pick the red one. See, maybe.
lo tur la tam vak lo ma se tu te nen kan han ti tlang dial kha nuam ve shimani
Okay, show Papa all the peppers that the vegetable that we pick. Is jalapeno pepper, cayenne pepper, and we got tomatoes. Yeah, and some cucumbers. Oh, the big one, the big cucumbers. Oh, then there's another small one.
That's a biggie.
Mm-hmm. Did your mommy pick that? Okay, here. Show it to Papa. Mm-hmm. All right. And the squash half eaten. All right. And the onions. Oh yeah. Okay.
khwa luma kan thlan na saboka hemi zo hianin no pang ho nen tui kan han chenga hey margo hi tui chen kan je tir ve ani hi
All right.
Okay, I think that's it.
กัน swimming pool ฮีกันตูตุตานเดียววะกันเสียมันเนี่ยเกมอันนี้ปน enjoy ไหมล่ะกันตูเตหูตานจวนอตอกเล็กอันนี้มีลาปอเอาไว้เซนสดเลยไหมตูเตเนนะหิมตะกาหุ่นกันมังเตฮีปะเทียนมัลสอมนะเวกอันนี้เสีย
Thank you for watching Emmy channel. Galone.
โอเลคติซงคาตูนากะโลแชร์และเทเจ้าจูนเนี่ยกันลมเอม thank you so much and God bless